What's up, Mixed Reaction fam?
Back at y'all with some more
fire.
So in today's video, we have Mr. Frank Sinatra singing My Way live at Madison Square Garden.
Heard of Mr. Frank Sinatra before. Obviously, who hasn't? Heard of this song before, but never actually heard it. Heard of people reference it, but never, put it together.
Same here. I heard of his name being referenced everywhere, like he's a great singer, great performer. I never heard anything by him. So today we're about to get into it. Hopefully you guys are already liked and subscribed to the channel. If not, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And also make sure you guys check out the link in the description below where you guys can find our main page. So you guys can go over there and get locked in and subscribe as well.
Get in the mix, y'all.
You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
We will now do the national anthem. But you needn't rise. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll make it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, traveled each and every highway, more than this.
What a smooth, cool guy.
I know, that's what I'm thinking.
My way.
Voice just smooth.
Regrets, I've had a few. But then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do. I saw it through.
Just so effortlessly.
Without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway. And more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I guess you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. And with it all, when there was doubt,
compared to what the performers were today on stage.
Then spit it out. I grew tall.
I like this build up.
Through it all, and did it my way.
And then just bring it down.
Laughed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing.
He's just so nonchalant with it.
Now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. No, no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way.
all goes well.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I thank you very much. You've been my...
You know what? His voice is so profound, for one. But you know what it remind me of?
Exactly.
Like the boxer, like the announcer, just it stands out and it's like so strong and just. I
You
love
notice his stage at the writing on the stage said the main event.
it. Really?
Yeah, and notice how it was like a boxing ring, like how he turned around to everybody in the.
That's how his voice. He sound like those announcers and like radio personalities. He got like those distinctive voices. I love it, and also his style of play is just like so nonchalant. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Classic. I can see why people consider him a legend, and people have modeled their careers after him. Like I would say Michael Bublé. Definitely that I can see where that comes from.
Sweet. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video as much as we did. If you did, leave us a big fat like, thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Get in the mix, y'all.
You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.